ride. Almost at the club, baby.
YouTube, what's going on today? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching another video here with me. So in today's video, as the title says, gonna be making Nightmare look a little better. These calipers are really ugly. They're not showing enough. They're not making the car pop. Car doesn't really pop yet because it's still paint is terrible on it. But anyway, I digress. So what I'm gonna be doing is I already got my station set up here for the brackets. I'm gonna be doing all of them. I'm gonna get the car jacked up on 4s, and then I'm going to pull the wheels off and everything like that. And what else? I'm not sure what else. But get this stuff cleaned up, get it ready to paint. I'll show you guys the process in between. Not too serious of a video, but let's get to it. Okay, so we got them all jacked up. Gonna go ahead and open this so that once I'm pressing the caliper, the piston in, any air can come out of here or won't be restricted when I'm sending the brake fluid back through. So now I'm gonna go ahead, get my air blower. I don't know what's going on with this, or whatever. Oh, it's broken. Oh, it's just not in. Whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get my air blower. Blow off as much dust as possible because I still gotta clean it, prime it, then do everything else. What else back here? Same thing. I'm gonna spray these on the car where they are, but the brackets I'm gonna take off and I'm gonna put over here and hang them up over here. So let me go ahead and start doing some cleaning, and then we'll get right back into it. Okay, so I've cleaned the brackets already, but while I'm cleaning these and waiting for them to dry and everything, I'm going to go ahead and hit these with the primer. As you can see, they cleaned up as best as possible. I should sand them down first, but I really don't care because this is gonna be in the back area, so I'll make sure to do everything right with the calipers. But go ahead and hit these with the primer and let them sit while I clean up the other stuff. Okay, first bit of priming is done for these. I'm not too concerned about these, really. I'll probably sand them down just a little bit if I have any sandpaper. I got the wrong one, I think. But they look pretty decent. Calipers are cleaned up as best as possible. Some of that dirt just ain't coming off. It's kind of part of the car now. But I'm gonna go ahead and mask off everything. Mask off like hair around this or whatever, and then cover the, like, whatchamacallit, rotors and strut or whatever, as best as possible. And then I will prime those and I will start painting these. Okay, well, it is officially under 60 degrees now here in Tucson, Arizona. So I'm going to wrap it up for the night. These are coming out really good. Look at the shine on it. Hold on, let me see if it focuses. Kinda, there we go. That's coming out really nice. These are done. I'm actually absolutely done with these. I wish I could have got the whole thing smooth like this, but it's whatever. So these came out nice. Calipers are still being done. I saw a run when I started to do the clear, so this is gonna wait till tomorrow until it's above 60 degrees. Other one looks about the same, but as you can see, I got overspray on it, but no matter, this car's getting wrapped, getting done up, getting cleaned up, so I'm not worried about it right now. So I will resume tomorrow. All right, we are back another day. It's like, what, 2 o'clock now? A nice little, 64 degrees out, so that means we can get back to painting. So what I got now for these is the clear. I'm gonna do the clear on these. I still have to prime, paint, and sand and all that for these because I didn't get around to them. But these should be easy since they're smaller, I think. But the brackets are done, like you already saw. So, and then I need to clean up all this overspray. So let me go ahead and start, knocking it out. These things are coming out really nice. Look at that shine already. Whew, this is gonna be a nice little project thing right here. So let's get it. Okay, these are really a little bit more harder to do because the brake line doesn't extend out as much. So you can see how close I am to everything. But these are primed now. So I'm gonna let that dry. While it's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and start reassembling the front. And I should be done soon, hopefully. Okay, so we've got the front completely done. We've got the, I kind of put a little paint on the pads themselves. Got the calipers all sprayed up, looking good. I'm going to leave the car jacked up because I need to do the gearbox, the clutch and flywheel. This portion back here is done now. Just letting it dry, and then once it dries, I'll put everything back on. So tomorrow is when I'm going to do it because it's going to get cold now. It's dropping below 60 degrees. So day 3. Okay, so I wasn't able to finish everything up. I ran into another problem, go figure. But as you can see right here, there's an indentation for the whatchamacallit, the set screw on the rotor. There's an indentation for this right here on this side. However, if you come and look at this side over here, there's no indentation. There's a hole for it, but there's no indentation. So the set screw doesn't fit in properly, and the rotor hasn't been sitting properly. As you can see how that looks. That looks completely messed up. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and probably drop this side, take off the spindle off this side and figure out what I need to do, or the hub. Yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish bolting up this side since this side is good, and then I'll jack the car up higher. So let's get it. Okay, I'm officially done for now. These came out really good looking. I jacked up the car more because I'm about to drop this gearbox soon. This side over here is done also. Let's finish. But however, this side is being torn apart because of this issue that I have found now. So this side will be torn apart on another time. I might film it, maybe not. We'll see, let me know. And this side is done too. So with that said, that is going to be the end of this video. If you haven't already done so, please be sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn on notifications, hit that share button. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.